Hello everyone. In this presentation I am going to walk you through how to install your zipped file packs into your MetaTrader 4. Now right here, this is just my desktop. That's where I went ahead and put both of my file packs here. Now as you can see, there is zipped or compressed folder. So what you need to do first is extract that. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the 3 bonus offers. Okay, we're going to go ahead and right click and choose extract all. I'm going to go ahead and just extract them here. You can place them in a folder of your choosing, but I just usually go ahead and do that until I get something installed into my MetaTrader 4. Now once it's extracted, it pulls up this little folder for us. This is the extracted files. Okay, as you can see, we have a regular folder icon now instead of the folder with the little zipper on it. Okay, let's go ahead and maximize that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open this. Within here we have 2 different folders. One is indicators and one is templates. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to my MetaTrader 4. Let's use my Trader's way. I'm going to go to File, Open Data Folder, okay, now right here is my data folder. If we go ahead and just put these right next to each other, right here, so we'll put this one right here, that's my MetaTrader 4 folder. And then we go back to the 3 bonus offers. That way you can see both of these right next to each other. Apparently it doesn't want to. Oh, come on now. Well, alright, let's just go ahead and do this. Okay, and this is the extracted file pack. Okay, so what we're going to do is in our MetaTrader 4 we're going to open the templates folder. And over here in our file pack we're going to open the templates folder. Here we're going to go ahead and grab all 3 of those. You can do a Control-C on the keyboard, or you can right-click and choose Copy. Okay. Then click back over to here in this template folder. You can do Control-V for paste, or you can right-click and choose to paste. Okay, now your templates are in the correct folder. Go ahead and go back 1 to the main MetaTrader 4 folder. You're going to go to MQL4, and then you're going to go to Indicators. Okay. Now over in our file pack, we'll go up 1 level, just like we just did on MetaTrader 4. We're going to go to Indicators, open that folder up, grab the indicators. Okay. This time I'm just going to do Control-C, and go over here and Control-V. I already have these files in this MetaTrader 4, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace them. It's not going to hurt anything. Okay, so now everything is installed. Now, if you did not have the 3 bonus offers, that's absolutely fine. We can go back to the desktop, and I can show you how to do it with just the Big Mac D software. Okay, right click, extract all, extract. Now you'll notice in this folder we only have two things. We have a TPL file and an EX4 file. Okay? The EX4 file is the indicator. The TPL file is the template. Okay? So, let's just go back to like we just opened the folder. Okay? I'm going to open up templates. I'm going to grab that TPL file. Okay? 4x8x OTM spread software. I'm going to do a Control-C to copy it and a Control-V to paste it. Then we're going to go back up one level. Back up one level. Oh, we didn't have to on that one. Sorry about that. We're already in there. Oops. EX4. So we're going to go over here to MQL4. This is your MetaTrader 4 folder. We'll go to Indicators. Go back over here to your Big Mac D software. Grab the 4x8x OTM spread software V4. This is an EX4 file. You're going to copy that and you're going to paste it into your indicators. Okay? So that's all there is to installing any packs from us. Okay? As you saw, if there are more than one file, okay, in a file pack, such as the 3 bonus offers one, we're going to have the exact names of the folders that you need to install whatever files are in. Whatever files are in there, okay, they're going to go into the designated folder over in your MetaTrader 4. Okay, we've tried to make it as easy as possible for you. Okay, the next thing that you're going to want to do is either close out of your MetaTrader 4 and reopen it, or a lot of the time this will work too, where you can right click and refresh. Okay, and over in your navigator you right click and refresh. Okay, and a lot of times, most of the time, that'll go ahead and take care of that and bring in those new files for you. Okay, so that's all there is to installing everything, and in my next presentation I'll go over a little more in depth on how your software works. Okay, I will talk to you guys later.